if you are not subscribed to this video, subscribe to this channel yet, please smash the like button, comment and share and subscribe my channel. You will get all the upcoming notifications. That's helpful for a lot of people. My name is Raman and I am a wellness guru, a mentor, and the reason that many people feel discomfort, fall sick, fall prey to chronic diseases or even get dreaded diseases. There are many reasons, but I will help you with a few points that may be helpful. Are we not responsible for it? I think it's time we review and wherever necessary take a corrective or preventive measures. We all can live a healthy, happy and enjoyable long life provided. I'm going to share 5 major things related to gut problems. You may have bloating, constipation, diarrhea or many other common intestinal issues. These symptoms are very common and it's very disturbing having these issues. Number 1 is the gut problem, the discomfort that you feel. Number 2 is the brain fog. Sometimes we feel that our brain is not very sharp, or we are feeling like things are a little foggy. So that may be one issue. Number 3 is there may be changes in your weight. Maybe you are gaining weight or maybe losing weight. It could be a sign of gut not being healthy, not working properly. So maybe you need to change the way you take your food, your nutrients intake, your energy levels. It could have an impact on your gut microbiomes and bad bacteria. Number 4 is the sleep disorder or tiredness. Many times we feel that we are tired, not because we don't eat properly, because we don't have enough sleep. Or sleep disorder is taking a lot of toll on our health. So these are signals that may create too many problems on your GI intestines. And number 5 is skin irritation. You may have skin irritation or related issues, and then autoimmune diseases like psoriasis, food intolerance, etc. These are majorly caused by many issues, but if your gut is not working properly, not working correctly, there will be signals that there may be too many problems with your gut microbes, intestines. All this could lead to a lot of problems. You need to have a lot of good bacteria and reduce or tackle the bacteria in order to improve your individual digestion. What could be a suggested food intake to improve your gut microbes are eat a diversified food. It's so very important. Now I have talked about what could be the issues. Now I am suggesting a 7-step solution that might prove to be helpful. Number 1 is eat a diversified food range. Variety of food. Variety is the key to many things in life. Number 1, eat lot of vegetables. Number 2, you include fiber content food, vegetables, fruits and a lot of other things that may be helpful. Number 4 is probiotics. You can also include fermented food that are part of your food intake. Number 2 is diversify your food range. That means include all these items as suggested, like fruits, vegetables, legumes. Include a lot of fiber content foods. Include raspberries, green peas, broccoli, chickpeas and whole grain, and which are in your local places. Number 3 is you include fermented food in your food intake on a daily basis. You can include yogurt, you can include for Indians, for example, you can include a lot of fermented food like dosha or idli batter. You can avoid artificial sweeteners, but these sweeteners cause a lot of microbiomes to hard for you to digest. It can also cause pro-inflammatory gut issues and probiotic foods. Vegetables that are good, are a good source of natural bacteria, prebiotic source of food, good bacteria that cause good bacteria. And number 6 is eat a lot of whole grains, vegetables, whole grains that you probably wouldn't like, but that are good for your intake. Good vegetables, good source of are a good source of natural bacteria. Prebiotic food also can give a lot of boost to your immune system, boost your metabolic system, producing whole grains are good for the gut. Some carbohydrates promote good bacteria, which include the gut microbiomes. You avoid certain carbs which affect psoriasis. Depending on your health issues, or if you or someone you love has got any psoriasis issues, they can avoid the carbs or the food intake. Number 7, reduce the dairy food. Somehow the food intolerance, they may have lactose intolerance. Help avoid those things. Instead of milk, yogurt or buttermilk, as you like, but this can have a lot of impact on your health. I will give you 2 bonuses. There are 2 bonuses that I can suggest you, I can give you, that will change the way that you live well, that you conduct your food intake. Number 1 bonus is drink black MP water. This is an exclusive magical product infused with a lot of probiotics, fulvic and minerals, plus 77 plus trace minerals. All these ingredients are natural, that is, it contains no chemicals at all. These are very health friendly, is a amazing food supplement that can help you with all these things you need on a daily basis, but we don't get it. We get our minerals and a lot of other things that we need depleted on a daily basis because we don't look at it very carefully, or we don't consume all the minerals, ingredients like electrolytes, probiotics, prebiotics, or many other things, because these are not available. Eat a lot of plant-based foods. Many, at least about 75 or 80% of your food intake should be plant-based producers. I hope these are helpful tips, these are helpful points. I will come to your other helpful videos. So stay tuned and please share, like, and let me have your comments, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.